What if your code editor automatically tells you how many hours you coded today? No timers, no manual trackers. This is a VS Code extension I am building. I was browsing portfolio websites when I saw someone was showing how much time they have coded today. I liked that feature, so I thought why not to implement in my portfolio website. Then I browsed about it. How can I create a feature like that? Then I found out I can create a VS Code extension which can track how much time I have coded today. I started building it for myself, but then I thought why not to make it reusable so everybody can use it. So I decided to build it properly and publish it. This started as a portfolio idea but turned out to be a product. First, let me show you how this extension works. First, with the npm run compile command, you can compile all the TypeScript code into JavaScript code. Then you can run this extension with debug mode. Then it will start here. Then let me show you here. When you go in the debug console, then here you will see all the logs. Extension activated and initialized successfully started. It started tracking everything. Let me show you first. If I just start typing here, example, just let me do this const function equal to this. If I type anything like this, then see here it start tracking. It said first 3 seconds of TypeScript, so it saved in database that I have coded 3 seconds in TypeScript. It also tracks how much time I have coded in each language. As see here it says today total 3 seconds and it's into Firebase. Let me show you here. I am using Firebase as a database. If I go to Firebase console, here you see here a document created in under users collection. Here's a document and days, and here it started collecting in document days. If I open it, it will show 10 seconds. I have coded previously also. If I show you from start, let me go back. Let me delete this, delete collection. Oh, let me just delete this user document. And when I refresh, the user document has gone from here. Now let me go to VS Code again. Then when I go to here and I again start typing in VS Code, let me clear cons is true is equal to true console.log is true, and when I go here again, see it's set again total 13 seconds. And let me go here, brave, refresh. See here 13 seconds stored in TypeScript and total second also TypeScript because I have not coded in other language. Now let me give you the overview of the project. Here when you see in main src folder, here is the extension.ts file. It's the main file of the project, and then I have created a firebase.ts. Here all my code related to Firebase is stored. Then I have a tracker.ts in which I have all the functions and classes related to tracking how much time I have spent. Here if you see, if a person has spent 60 second idle, then it stop tracking. It tracks how much time user have coded. Then after some time it updates to db. Currently I have set it to 5 seconds for just testing purpose, but after 10 minutes I updates in database how much time user have coded. Then I have types.ts, all my interfaces is kept in here. Then I have utils.ts. Here all the utilities function which is used in other files I have kept here. Then I have a vs code.ignore it. We have to kept all the files which want to ignore here. and then a changelog.md. Here just give the overview of the extension. Then all these files are simple. You can see the package.json file, main this file here. Here the main thing is this activation event. It is the main thing. When the extension will activate, there is an event on startup finished. When the VS Code is open, then the extension will start. Then this is the main file. Then we have two commands, one to configure Firebase and one to show the stats. Then all they have dependencies and dev dependencies. Then we have a readme.md file. My end goal is to show this in my portfolio website, like 3 hours coded today, something like that. There are some tasks which is left to do. Publish the extension, create public APIs and integrate it to my portfolio. If you have any ideas or suggestion, let me know in the comments. I will keep sharing the updates. If you like it, then subscribe. Meet you in next video.